Hi everyone. Today we are going to make something really fun. It's painted sculpture. You will use clay to make shapes or anything that you can imagine. Then we will paint them with beautiful colors. Okay, let's start by touching and playing with the clay. How does it feel? Is it soft? Is it squishy? Yes. You can roll it or press it. Yeah. And pinch it to make shapes. Okay. What do you think you will create today? Maybe animals or balls or flowers. Yeah. You can make anything that you imagine. Okay. Now let's shape our clay. Oh, I'm going to make a ball and I'm going to make a snake. Okay, I'll roll my clay to make a snake. Do it in your hand or use a table. Just remember, there is no right or wrong. It is all about having fun. Okay, after you make your sculpture, you can paint your sculpture with any color that you like. You can make it with one color or you can use different colors. Okay, you can, now, okay, you can make it stripy or you can mix colors. And you can use these materials for decoration. And we are going to make a flower as well. Yeah. Okay, you can use different parts. There you go. Okay, it's just sculpture. Make it and then we let them dry. Okay, wow, they look fantastic. Everyone, you did great job. We can set up on a table and make our own gallery with that. That's our flower. And we have our ball. And we have two snakes. One is big, longer, and one is shorter. So now let's make our flower a little bit nice. Now we can put our sculpture on the table to let them dry and we can have our own gallery so everyone can see our arts. Good job, everyone. You all made such a wonderful sculpture today. And I love to see your ideas. Okay, and next time we can make something more. We can use different materials. What do you like to try next time? Yes, I like it too. You can make a house with your clay and let it dry and you can use it for your little dolls. Nice job, everyone. I like your sculptures. Have a good day.